Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am glad to review this sample provided by Eco Roots, and it's a handmade lip balm. So it's great. It doesn't have any plastic, comes in a little pack of two, and also it has botanical ingredients, it's vegan, and it's going to help you protect and moisturize your lips. This is how it looks. So all you have to do is put it on your lips. As you can see, it's just hydrating. It's just going to hydrate your lips. It's vegan. It has only natural and organic ingredients. And I like it. I'm looking forward to moisturize my lips. Even under my lipstick, you can put a little bit on your lips, on clean face, clean lips, and put a lipstick on, and it's not going to be, your lips are going to be hydrated. The makeup is going to look a lot better. So I am looking forward to using this. Thank you, Eco Roots, and thank you for watching my video.